Life in Bahamas has been treating me so well. I love it here. I would live here. I love the islands. I'm an island girl. Okay, hi, my name is Jamelia, and the name of my business is Irie Essence. We're all about practicing self-care as well as sharing self-care with our community, helping others learn multiple ways to practice self-care, and also taking that time to reset for yourself and making sure that you are able to be your best self always. So I'm here today in Freeport, Bahamas, and I'm practicing my self-care by resetting and taking some time to myself. I've been desperately needing this time. I've been going nonstop for the past, I want to say 4 years since I've had a child, but it's been before that because Irie Essence has been my babies for 7 years now. So, I think this is a well-deserved break, and I can't wait to see what new ideas I come up with when I finally get home. I've been so inspired just being here for 2 days, and I'm really excited to see what other adventures await. So I love the beach so much. It's definitely my favorite place to reset. As you can hear, the ocean sounds just relax me. I love collecting seashells, and the beach is definitely my source of inspiration. I remember going to a festival on the beach in 2019. It was called Something in the Water. It was at Virginia Beach, and literally like 2-3 weeks later I was able to come up with my business idea, and I haven't stopped since. So I definitely think the beach is a great place to relax and unwind. It's a great place to tap into your inner thoughts, because oftentimes we're in environments where we can't even hear ourselves think, and that's a part of the problem. We aren't in tune with ourselves. We aren't making that time to self-care. But when you come to the beach, you have nothing but your thoughts, the water, sand, and you just have no choice but to listen to yourself and trust that you know what's best for you. So self-care to me, it means that I have no one contacting me, no one asking me to do anything, no responsibilities. I just unplug from the world for as long as I'm able to. That's the best way for me to reset, recalibrate, make sure that I am ready to take on the next chapter of my life, no matter, what chapter it is. I always need a moment to just have that time to myself so that I can think straight, so that I can come up with my best ideas. Usually after I practice self-care is when I get my best ideas and I'm able to execute them. I definitely think that my ideas come directly from God, so I do have to execute them, because He wouldn't have given me the ideas if He didn't think that I could do it. So I take that very seriously, and I definitely encourage a lot of people to make that time for themselves. So today I have on Irie Essence hat, a little slider shirt, and I just wanted to represent local brands from DC to Bahamas. So, this is me.